Yeah, so I heard that adjustments can cause arthritis. Is that true?
Now that is an old myth that we get all the time. You know, everyone always heard from their grandma or their mother said, don't crack your knuckles because cracking your knuckles is bad, it's going to end up causing arthritis. That is just a myth. Now there are right ways to do adjustments, which is what chiropractors learn. There are wrong ways to do adjustments. Those wrong ways can start to compress those joints and it can start to inflame those and make those worse. But if you're doing things the right way with a chiropractor, you're not going to develop arthritis, you're actually going to help prevent it.